How to react to messages on WhatsApp. This is the same process on Android as it is on iPhone and any other mobile device. So this is going to require the new update. Some of you may already have auto update on, some of you may need to manually do it, and you'll know if you can update it or not when clicking down on a message. So I put this reply please message here, holding down on it, then it should come up with things like this. If this is the case, you have not updated, you'll need to go to the App Store or Google Play Store, then click update on WhatsApp Messenger like I just did there. Same process on Google Play Store or any other type of store. Once that's done, open it up and then go back to the message you want to react to, and as you can see here on the exact same one, I hold down like I did before, but then at the top there you can see all the emoji reactions, so you can go ahead and click on any one of them. You can also remove them by clicking on the message as well. So if you use an emoji, click back on it, then it removes the emoji reaction. And you can also just go on to another reaction here, all the same type of thing, all those reactions there. So leave a like on the video if that helped, and subscribe for more helpful videos.